Hey guys, this is Jared Fisher. I'm the director of everything over here at Escape Adventures. I want to take you to a place just outside my back door. In fact, not far from here. In fact, I ride my bike to this location from right here. This place is Death Valley National Park. I've been going there for about 30 years. And I gotta tell you, I love the stark beauty of Death Valley National Park. The best time to go is clearly gonna be in March and April when the flowers are blooming. You've got green rolling hills at some of the higher elevations. I really love this tour that we do in Death Valley. I hope you enjoy it.